The Supreme Court has taken rare action to speed up its final judgment in a major Voting Rights Act case out of Louisiana. The unsigned order gives the state a significant boost in its rush to redraw its congressional map ahead of the November elections. The new map is expected to shift the state from a 4-2 Republican majority to a 5-1 Republican edge. Justice Samuel Alito defended the expedited timeline, arguing it prevents elections under a map deemed unconstitutional. However, dissenting Justice Ketanji Brown Jackson criticized the move, saying it bows to political pressure and creates chaos in the state. A coalition of civil rights groups has filed a new federal lawsuit seeking to block a controversial Texas immigration law. The legislation, which is set to take effect on May 15th, would allow state and local police officers to arrest migrants suspected of entering the United States illegally. It also grants state judges the authority to issue deportation orders. Groups, including the American Civil Liberties Union, argue the law is unconstitutional because immigration enforcement is exclusively the responsibility of the federal government. Texas Republicans passed the measure to crack down on border crossings, setting up a major legal showdown over who controls immigration policy. President Donald Trump is attempting to minimize the economic fallout from the ongoing conflict in Iran, using a White House event to highlight his record on small business. Speaking to business leaders on Monday, the president claimed the economy is roaring thanks to his tax and regulatory cuts. However, his remarks paint a stark contrast to the reality facing many Americans as the war drives up the cost of living. Global oil prices have spiked significantly, reaching about $114 per barrel amid uncertainty in the Middle East. The president dismissed the rising energy costs as temporary, promising that prices will drop substantially soon.